Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have your Airpods Pro paired and charged. Now start the control test. First, put them in your ears and open the iPhone's Now Playing or Control Center so you see the song info. Once done, use the force sensor. Press once to play or pause, press twice quickly to go to the next song, and press 3 times to go back. You're doing this so you confirm tactile timing, and so you can see the song change immediately on screen. Once you've verified basic presses, customize behavior. Go to Settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to your AirPods, and set press and hold to toggle noise control or Siri depending on your preference. Why do this? Because if you rely on voice commands, press and hold can still give you noise control without interfering. Also, use Siri for quick skips. It's reliable when your hands are busy. Make sure to keep the Now Playing screen handy. It confirms the change and helps diagnose timing issues. To finish, cycle through a few songs in different apps to ensure the skip commands work consistently. Different apps sometimes handle commands differently. If skipping is inconsistent, make sure your iPhone and AirPods firmware are up to date and reboot the phone. If problems continue, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the setup button for around 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and repair. That reset resolves most connectivity or control mapping issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.